I'm so close. I can do this. Don't look down. No! Oh my God, I'm not giving up. I just need to keep moving. I can't see anything. The water, get up!
Dios mío, we have to get out!
It's everywhere! Did you feel that?
Something's under us. Where's the boat?
There!
Okay, so today I'm going to show you on how to create videos on Google Vids, Google Vids. So what you're going to need to do now, you're going to need to come here to the search bar and then you search for Google Vids. So the first one that comes in, that's the right one. You click right on top of it. The page is open. You will see the Google Workspace. Okay, so you need to sign in with your email address. After signing in, you're gonna click right here on the sign in to Vids. This is what you're gonna get, and then on your left hand side you're gonna get a video, avatar, voiceover, image, and so on. So what we need now is only the video. Okay, since we are creating the videos, so we're gonna click right here on video. So okay, so after clicking on video, this is what you're gonna get, and then the AI video clip, it says Veo 3.1. That's the model that we're going to be using. There's no other one. We only have one option of Veo 3.1. Okay, so create from scratch. So you need to click right here to choose the best one for you. If you've got an image ready, you can just click on animate an image or turn an image into a video. If you've got the text, you can generate a video from text and images. Okay, so you're gonna click right here to create from scratch. Okay, so now we need to describe your 8 seconds video. You can add ingredients such as brand, images, character, and more. So what we need here is just the prompt that they want us to use. So I'm gonna just click right here and paste everything that I want the AI to do for me, and then we click on landscape. So on the landscape, you just need to select if your video you want it to be on a landscape or on a portrait. So it just say landscape. So you're gonna it was supposed to say aspect ratio, but it just say landscape. Okay, but it's okay. So now we can just click on the right aspect ratio. So I'm gonna go with a 16:9, and then on this one we can just leave all this. It says upgrade to use this feature, and also the ingredients says upgrade to use this feature. Okay, so the next step now is to generate and wait for the video to generate. So now, as you can see, the AI is creating the video for us. It says 14% is gonna do this until it's up to 100%. So we're gonna just wait and come back when it's ready. Okay, so now we are back with the results. Let's just click right here to see. Okay.
The water! It's rising! Wake up! What is happening? Help! Somebody help us!
So those are the results for the first text to image.
Water! It's rising! Wake up!
That's the first result from the
water.
So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use a different options here. So we're not creating from scratch right now. We've got the image, so you want to use it to animate it. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on animate an image. So I'm gonna just put the prompt right here, and then on this side I'm gonna add the image. So with the landscaping, okay, so let me just agree with the terms, and then we can just bring the image into the website. So I'm gonna just click right there and then bring the image. So I'm gonna just leave it on landscape as the image is also on landscape. Okay, so let's just wait for the image to be fully uploaded, and then we'll be able to use it. Okay, so everything is sorted now, is 100%. The only thing that's left is for us to so everything is sorted now. We've got the prompt, we've got the image, and then we can just click on generate.
Why is this place so quiet? What was that? Run! Run! Please don't catch me!
So everything is so clear here.
Why is...
So let's just try another one. Let's try another prompt. So we're going to use a different prompt. So let's just remove that one. I'm going to just paste it right here. And no, we're not doing the add image, so we don't have the image. So we're going to just go back to create from scratch, right? And then we're going to leave it on landscape, and then we're going to click on generate. Let's watch the
I'm so
results
close.
here.
I can do this. Don't look down. No! Oh my god, I almost! I'm not giving up.
So this is how easy it is to use this platform. So if you want to download the image, you can just do double click on the image and then you save the video. Okay, so we came to the end of our tutorials. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.